Rich and creamy coconut almond milk. Let's hop right into it. I'm starting out by soaking 2 cups of raw almonds and 2 cups of coconut shavings. Cover that up tightly and soak for up to 24 hours. After 24 hours, everything should be nice and plump. Transfer all of that into a blender and cover it up with about 8 cups of water, blending until smooth. I used a few pitted dates just to add a little bit of sweetness. Then I used my nut milk bag to extract all of the liquid. I'm going to be squeezing as much of that liquid out of that bag as I possibly can because I'm going to be dehydrating the remaining almond and coconut mixture. So now we have an almond coconut meal. You can spread this onto a baking sheet and pop it into your oven on its lowest setting for about 8 hours. Once that's all finished, you have a nice almond coconut meal. For all my keto folks, you can blend this up even further and you'll have the perfect coconut almond flour for baking. Now to finish off my almond milk, I just used a funnel to transfer it to a 64-ounce container. I want to emphasize that this recipe is very rich and can be doubled as a coffee creamer. This is optional, but y'all know I love my maple syrup, so I just added a little splash of it to my almond milk, gave that a good, nice final shake, and that's all she wrote. Rich, creamy, delicious coconut almond milk. Absolutely